Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the door mullion heater on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a mallet. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left refrigerator door and use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the screw securing the mullion's center hinge to the inner liner. Use the mallet to tap the bottom of the mullion to help detach. Now depress the tabs to disconnect the wire harness connector to fully remove the old component. To install the new door mullion heater, first confirm the wire harness connector is secured under the retaining clip. Then connect the wire connector. Align the upper and lower hinges on the liner mounting posts and the center hinge tabs inside the slot in the liner. Then slide the mullion down. Thread the screw to secure the center hinge. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.